Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Roblox. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Roblox, log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you're on your home page here. Click on the Roblox option here. So click on Roblox, the Roblox option. So here, what are you going to do? You're going to hit on you're going to buy Robux here, so you can choose the amount that you want to spend for. So you just choose the amount. For example, here just choose any, and then when you get to this payment page here, if you want to use your Visa gift card, simply select the Visa option here, Visa credit card option. Simply select that, and then what you're going to do here is you're going to provide the details of your Visa card. So once this loads here, you're going to type in your Visa card details, and then complete the payment. So that's how you can use a Visa gift card on Roblox. So hope this video is helpful. I will